this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Gmails in Facebook. If you need to add your Gmail address to your Facebook account but don't know where to start, don't worry, this is the dummiest guide step by step, no confusion, no tactile. Let's go. So you can just open the Facebook app or facebook.com like this, and then you can just go to the settings and privacy menu. In here, if you are on website or a browser, you can just click on your photo at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy, and in here tap on settings. And after this, you can just go to the account center by going to this left side menu. Click on the account center and then go to the personal details options. This one, click on it. Here on the contact info, you can just click on it and then add your Gmail address. So type in your Gmail address and then tap on add, and Facebook will send a confirmation email to your Gmail. And after that, you can just open your Gmail inbox and look for the email from Facebook and then click on confirm. And now your Gmail is added to your Facebook account. And that's it. Gmail added. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.